Guys, how are you all? It's Abhishek from Decofly. So what you are seeing holding in my hand is a beautiful Saraswati Yantra metal wall art. So the size is 24 by 24 inches and this is a large size actually guys, and this is not regular spray painted, this is powder coated and this is very durable. It will, you can see the tough quality of this 1.67 thickness cold rolled steel, and this is the export quality material. So this is obviously very tight in quality, and benefit of this is it is believed to bring prosperity and wealth to your home if you visit, worship this Saraswati Yantra daily, as it's a sign of it's a yantra of Ma Saraswati. So this is very easy to fix also. You can see we have provided 3 holes. Here is the one 3 holes for fixing. We will be providing you screws. With the help of that you can easily fix. You can also fix this with double sided tape, but it's a bit on heavy side. This is around 1.5 to 2 kg. So if you fix with the screws, you will get a shadow effect very easily. You can see like this, you will get something shadow effect like this. So I hope you like this product guys, and it's available at a very reasonable price. You can check in the below description. So visit our store for more details, and